Welcome to this tutorial on security, orchestration, automation, and response playbook. In this tutorial, this specific lecture is about the introduction, what we are going to cover in further lectures. So, we'll explore uh, the aspects of playbook, including their importance, design, implementation, and maintenance. We'll also discuss the different type of SOAR playbook and provide the example of how they can use to improve organization security. So we have summarized our tutorial in previous video. So let's do the intro part, what we are going to cover in our further sections. So the content of this lecture will be the first topic will be introduction, or rather we can say first chapter will be introduction to SOAR playbook. In this chapter we will introduce SOAR playbook, define their importance and highlight their benefits. We will also cover the different type of SOAR playbooks and their roles in incident response. So in the second chapter, it will be a design SOAR playbook. So in this chapter, we'll explore the process of designing SOAR playbook. We will discuss the key element of a SOAR playbook such as trigger, action and workflow. Also will provide guidance how to design playbook that are scalable and adaptable. Moving further, in chapter 3, we'll be covering implementing SOAR playbook. In this chapter, we will discuss the process of implementing SOAR playbooks, including the tools and technology that are required. We will also explore the different approaches to implement playbooks, such as building them in-house or using the third-party solution. So it is possible that all the functionality, all the required tools we are not have in-house. So we need to integrate them with the third-party tools or third-party solution. Let's move on. The fourth chapter will cover maintaining SOAR playbook. In this chapter, we'll explore the ongoing maintenance of SOAR playbooks. We will discuss the need of regular update and testing, the importance of monitoring and measuring the effectiveness of playbook. In this chapter, we also provide the guidance on how to optimize and refine our playbook, and that will refine the overall time. Now the fifth chapter will cover examples of SOAR playbook. In this chapter, we will discuss examples of different types of SOAR playbook and how they can be used to improve an organization security posture. We will discuss playbook for common security incidents such as phishing, attack, malware infection, as well as more complex incidents such as network intrusion. Now the final chapter will cover best practices for SOAR playbook. In this chapter, we'll provide a best practice for designing, implementation, and maintaining SOAR playbook. We'll discuss the importance of collaboration between different teams, need for a flexible and adaptable approach, and the value of regular training and education. So this all 6 chapters will give you a brief about how can we design, implement SOAR playbook. In conclusion, SOAR playbooks are an essential tool for modern cybersecurity team, enabling fast and more effective incident response and remediation. By following the best practice outlined in this tutorial, organization can design, implement, and maintain playbooks that are scalable, adaptable, and effective in response to a wide range of security incident. Thank you for choosing this tutorial on SOAR Playbook. We hope that you find this tutorial informative and valuable for your organization security structure or strategy. Thank you.